Hi, editing Keegan here, just like rudely interrupting this video. I just want to say that this video was filmed about a month ago, so before all the quarantining and isolation and everything like that happened. So this video was from a while ago, but I still wanted to upload it because I thought it would be fun and just the memes. I'm no longer living in my sorority house. I'm back home at my parents' house. I'm actually officially moving out of my sorority house tomorrow, so let me know if you guys want a college move out vlog. Also let me know if you want like a quarantine night routine, I guess. I don't know. That could be fun. So letting you guys know this video was filmed in advance. I hope that you're all staying safe and healthy, and I love you guys so much, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. Love you. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a morning routine for college. I just woke up. I normally wake up between anywhere from like 7 a.m. to like 10 a.m. I know that's like quite a big not age range, like time gap, but I normally wake up that time depending on how much I have to do for the day, what time my first class starts. So I just woke up filming a morning routine. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already. First thing I normally do when I wake up, just kind of like hang out, chill on my phone for a second. I don't save my phone for that long because normally when I get up in the morning I like to just start going. I can't snap with this hand. I like to get going, do stuff, like look at my phone, just make sure I have any notifications, anything that I need to deal with, like emails or anything like that. See some of your guys' comments on my video if I uploaded that day, and then I will head over to the bathroom to go to the bathroom and get ready. So after I go to the bathroom, I always like to wash my face. I use a Cetaphil. I have like a small travel one with me because I didn't feel like buying two big ones, so I bought a travel one and I just kind of refill it. But I always like to wash my face, brush my teeth after I go to the bathroom, or else my skin gets really bad like it is right now. In terms of morning skincare, I really like to use the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense. It's a skin fortifying hydrator. I found this helps my skin a lot. My skin's breaking out a ton right now because I stopped using this for a moment and I regret it. This video is in no way sponsored, by the way, just like letting you know that. I need to have moisturizer on my skin at all time or else my skin like gets super duper tight. I have kind of dry to normal skin, like I don't know, it's like weird every season, but right now my skin's been very dry, so I like to hydrate it as much as possible. Right after I wash I need to put moisturizer on it or else it feels like my face is like gonna crack if I move it. It's kind of gross. Ew. Since I normally wake up kind of late-ish sometimes, I don't normally eat a big breakfast. Sometimes I'll just have something small. Right now I'm not hungry at all, so I'm just drinking water. I normally eat lunch early anyway, so it doesn't really matter that much.
My computer is dying. Intermission while I get my charger. I guess it wasn't charging last night even though it was plugged in. What is up with that? One thing that I do every single morning, hi, you can see me, is I just try to get as much work done as I possibly can, whether it's YouTube emails and like sponsorships or it's homework. I just try to get a lot of stuff out of the way right in the morning. So I'm doing my management. This thing is like 2.5 hours long and it's worth 5 points. I like to be as productive as possible the second I wake up in the morning and just get stuff done so that I'm not stressed throughout the entire day, which is like the best feeling ever. So I do this every single morning depending on like what class it is. I always check my to-do list. That is something that I did a little bit earlier that you guys saw. Check my to-do list, saw what I need to do, and then added anything that I didn't do yesterday onto today's. So I think right now what I want to do is just shower. I switch off between like showering in the morning, showering at night, so it kind of depends on the day. Today I feel like I look really ugly, so I want to shower. I need to just like exfoliate my body, shave, do everything. I have all my shower stuff right here. I'll show you guys what I use just in case you're wondering. This is my favorite shower because it's the big one. Here's what I use in the shower. Excuse me while I just like sit in the bathroom floor in the shower room. For shampoo and conditioner, I use Function of Beauty. This isn't sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. I don't know if I'd get it again. I like it. I like it. It smells like pears. Pretty. So that's what I use because I bought it. Velocity Micro Delivery Exfoliating Face Wash. That's what I use to exfoliate my skin. I don't think I'm going to use it today because I exfoliated yesterday and I don't want it to be too harsh on my skin. This is a really good gentle everyday exfoliator though. Low-key stupid that I washed my face today earlier. Oh. I got this thing from Amazon and you like put it, like you like rub your shampoo into your hair better and it makes your hair a lot cleaner and like it also like massages your scalp. So check it out. I'll link it down below. I think I'm gonna exfoliate and shave today too. Now I need to put all this stuff back in here. Someone left their body wash. My hair is finally all brushed out. Took me a hot minute, but I thought I'd share with you guys the products that I used on my hair. Also, I applied the same moisturizer to my face once again. I recently dyed my hair, so I definitely put a lot more product than I normally do in my hair today, just because I wanted to give it as much like moisture and help as I could. Don't want to flash you. Let me just fix that. This is what I use every day whether or not I dyed my hair recently. It's the Pureology Color Fanatic Multitasking Hair Beautifier. This is what it looks like. This stuff is so good. It's basically like a hair binder. So when you spray it in your hair, it kind of like makes, if your hair is like this, it makes it go like that. You know, it makes it tighter like that. It's like that. So I really like this. It makes my hair feel a lot stronger. I have some like damaged pieces in my hair right here from when I would have my ponytails like too tight, so it would like break my hair. So I have some breakage, so I like to use this to prevent that. I used to use this all the time in the past and I haven't used it in a while just because it's like kind of thick, you know? Like it's not even a liquid. Oh, I guess it's a lot. Okay, never mind. I thought it was a lot thicker than it was. But it's a 10 Miracle leave-in product. I just like to spray this kind of like at the ends of my hair. It's like a leave-in conditioner basically. That's a spray. Here's all the stuff that it does. I don't use it that often, but I don't really notice that much of a difference, but I'm trying to help my hair. It's the thought that counts. I also put in this oil. It's the Moroccan Argan Oil Treatment. It's just like a little hair oil. Yeah, I just like a tiny bit of that. It's cute. I just thought maybe this would help my hair. I don't know. Doing the most. This was my first time using this product. It's the Unite 7 Seconds Detangler. My hairdresser gave this to me and my hair is really tangly today, so, oh, it's a leave-in conditioner. Anyways, thought it'd help. I don't love how my makeup turned out today, I will be honest. I rarely do makeup in college. It's only when I have something that I need to do later that day, which is exactly why I did my makeup today. And I think I look like crap, but it's fine. And I think I'm just gonna let my hair air dry because my hair is naturally like stick straight, so it looks like I straightened it. The only thing that I need to do now is my outfit. I'm a big leggings girl. This drawer with all my sweatpants and leggings is a go-to, and so is this one with all my workout gear, even though I don't work out, but they're comfortable and I look like I work out, so that's what works. But I actually have stuff that I need to do today, so I need to look nice for after class, which sucks. I think I know what I want to wear. I have this shirt that I bought recently. Yeah, I want to wear this one. And I think I want to wear it with some jeans. But what jeans? Oh. Are these the ones? Yeah, I think these are the ones I accidentally ripped. I have so many pairs of jeans. My room's a mess. This normally happens every single morning when I get ready. I just kind of like throw everything everywhere, especially deciding what to wear. Today, it was easy to find what to wear. Normally, it's not this easy. Here is what I'm wearing. The top is from Forever 21. The jeans are actually from Forever 21, and I'll probably just throw on a pair of like Air Force Ones or like some flip-flops. I think that I'm gonna head out the door to go to class. My backpack casually laying in the middle of the floor. I should zip that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have not already subscribed, do it. My birthday is tomorrow as I'm filming this video, so birthday present to me, please. Just kidding, like not please. Like, but if you guys also want to follow me on Instagram, you can do that too. I will have it right here. I'm about to go to class, get some lunch because I'm kind of hungry right now. So I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.